Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 245 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the My Day page. Now tap on the More icon to open the menu. Scroll down, find the option called Garmin Devices, tap on it, and here select your Forerunner 245. On this page, find the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on it. Come on, like this. Tap on Remove Device, and then tap on Remove. Now you can tap on the Settings icon to get redirected to Settings, but it will open this page, which is not useful to us. We need to go back to the main page of Settings, right here. And once you're on the main page of Settings, tap on the Bluetooth icon, and here you should see the Forerunner 245 device on the list of my devices. Once you see it, tap on the Info icon, tap on Forget Device, and tap on Forget Device to remove it from your iPhone. And once it's on the list of other devices, you can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.